Okay, here's an interesting product review. It's way off of the topic of the home handyman type stuff, but I got a kick out of this because I was sitting around with a friend of mine. His son's a little bit older. He's got a dog that's going to be in a dog show, and it has a little white imperfection in its fur. And he was wondering, hey, how do we try to hide it? And they got all these stuff that you can go buy, these dyes and all this crap. So he went ahead and he bought this off of Amazon called Blackbeard. I put up a poster of it here. There's a reason. Now this is dark brown like it says, so that's the color he wanted. Now he bought a pack of 5. He gave me one of them. Well, I asked him for one. I mean, he gave me one. Now take a look at my mustache for a minute and you're going to see, I'll try to get a little closer. You're going to see there's a lot of white right here, right here. Now this is interesting as hell. I mean, I thought, I've tried some of these things in the past to get rid of some of the white in my mustache. I think it's just for men or some of that crap. Anyway, it changes it like almost like a jet black. So I didn't like it, quit using it. So he goes, well, here, I'll give you one of these. And I go, well, let's tend to the dog first. It blended in perfect on this dog. Then his son went ahead and used it in the show, and I don't know, he got a ribbon or something because it was just one of these local shows. But I got a kick out of the idea. It was a way to cover up this little flaw in the fur and make the dog look perfect. But I suppose, in this kind of dog show industry, people pull all these tricks, and I figured, well, he can try it and see what happens. I managed to get away with it because this color actually came out spot on to the dog's, dark brown color. Okay, so I want you to watch this. Hang on just a sec. The one thing I found with those other products is you put them on like you follow the instructions, you leave it on for 5-10 minutes, then you got to scrub, take it off. Otherwise, it'll become darker, 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 and eventually black. Well, it didn't matter to me how many minutes I left it on for. It just never came out right, even when I went to the, brown, lighter browns and all of that. So he gave me a tube of it after we played around, with the dog, which I thought was comical, but like I said, it worked. And so I went ahead and I brought it home. So I read some reviews about it. There's tons of them out there on Amazon. Single tube runs about $10. And, it says all this stuff on here, water resistant, all these things. Yes, that's true. Now, I'm going to do this in real time because I'm going to show you how well this works, okay? And I didn't really believe in the product at first because I thought, oh, it's just some gimmicky thing. When you take it out, you get this. It's a brush. Okay, in real time, watch this. Okay, there you go. Now, I got one spot here. Wipes right off. Okay, now what's my take on the product? It works great. It's good for a couple of days. Maybe good for 3 days. It could be good for less. It depends on how much you moisten and wipe your mustache or your beard. This guy in the picture does his whole beard. This is just like a quick, easy thing to do. You don't need any waiting time. You just use the little brush it on. Works perfectly fine. I give it a 2 thumbs up. I think it's a great product. I would buy it again, or when it comes time, I would buy it again. I've had the same tube for a month or more. Seems to last a very long time for the $10, so I think it's a good value. Is there any downside to it? Well, wears off a little quicker than normal, but it wears off like in fades, depending on how, like I said, how many times you get it wet and wipe it. But it doesn't look that bad, and it's really easy to touch up and use. Anyway, what does this have to do with home handyman tools and projects and all that? Not a damn thing. It's just a product review on something that I thought other people may be struggling with the same thing, may experience the same stuff from these other colors and dyes at the store. This is quick and easy. Keep it in your medicine cabinet. It's a small container. It brushes on fast, easy. I think it works great. Okay, I'm the Home Handyman. This was just a quick product review on something way off topic, but this stuff works great. I give it 2 thumbs up. Hope you folks click subscribe. I hope you give me a thumbs up. Stay with me. Let me know what you think of this product if you've ever used it. Like I said, way off topic, but what the hell. We're just having some fun today. Okay, I'll talk to you again soon. You folks have a good day. Bye-bye.